Imagine being able to leverage YouTube with 58-second videos or less and make up to $500 a day. How would that change your life, even if you made an extra $20, $50, $100 a day? My husband and I both drive a Prius, and last month both of our cars broke down. So combined total, it was $7,000. So if you have this money coming in, wouldn't it be great to pay for these things without having to put it on credit? With these videos, where you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to, you can have these money machines creating money for you 24/7. You can do it without any experience from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need to be good with technology. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to get these videos up and making money for you. You just have to put in the work and be persistent. But make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to share with you 2 powerful ways to monetize these videos, these YouTube short videos, and it's not with AdSense and it's not with a creator fund, because I've heard that people are not making a lot of money with this. So these methods that I'm going to share with you, you can potentially make a lot of money. And the best part is it's completely free. So let's go ahead and get started right now. So these videos you're going to be creating are called YouTube Shorts. And just in case you're not familiar with that, that's YouTube's version of TikTok and Instagram Reels, where you have 58-second or less videos, and they're vertical. So if you're recording them, make sure your phone is in the up and down position. But I'm also going to be sharing with you some really cool templates that you can use as well. YouTube is really pushing these videos so you can get a lot of views. The first thing you want to decide on is what your channel is going to be about. And I would recommend that you do it in an area that people have the most problems in, and that would be wealth, health, and relationships, because you can provide a solution to these people and make a lot of money, and we're going to get into that in just a little bit. Second thing you want to do is to find some keywords that you can create videos around and put these keywords in a notepad or just write them down. The keyword tool that we're going to be using is vidIQ. This is a free Google Chrome extension, and you can see I typed in crypto right here, and that actually is a great keyword. It has low competition and has over 9 million searches a month. And the higher this overall score is, the better. So 82 is really, really good. So you're just going to go through here and see some other great keywords that you could use. Bitcoin is very good. Crypto market, crypto news today has over 700,000 searches a month. So you can just take a look through here for whatever your keyword is, whether it be weight loss, dating advice, anything like that. You can just put it in here and come up with some really great keywords that you can create videos around. And also, if you look over here on the right hand side, you can see trending videos. So you can see this video about crypto. These are long form videos, but you can see the topic gets a lot of views, and these are all trending videos that you can take a look at. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, one that will create a long-term, sustainable, predictable income, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. So next, after you find some keywords, where are you going to find your content? What you want to do is go to YouTube and search your keyword here. So we could search, for example, cryptocurrency news, and see the videos that come up here. You can also see the ones that are most popular. You can just search this week and then click on view count. You can see the ones that come up here. 6 days ago, 698,000 views. So what you're going to do is take these long form videos and summarize them 58 seconds or less. Now you think that might be kind of hard, but let me show you a shortcut here. So like this video right here, click on these 3 dots right here, and you can see where it says open transcript. And then just scroll up a little bit, and you can see right here it's generating it. And then click on these 3 dots right here, toggle timestamps, and this will tell you exactly what they're saying in the video. So you can go through here, pick out the main points, and summarize this. You can take some other videos as well, or you could go to Google, find a blog article, and just break it down into just a few points. Now, this may not be your area to get into, but I'm just using this as an example. You may want to have a YouTube Shorts channel about weight loss tips, makeup tips, relationship advice, all kinds of topics. You can see this YouTube Shorts channel is about makeup. Their most popular video has 1.3 million views, and that was just 10 months ago. So these can get a lot of views. In order to find a channel that you can look at and see what they're doing, you just would type in #shorts plus whatever your keyword is. So maybe relationship, and see what kind of channels come up, and you can take a look at what they're doing. You could also type in weight loss and see what kind of videos people are doing on that subject. Okay, so now that you have your content, you want to actually create the video, and we're going to do that in a free software called canva.com, canva.com. So once you log in here, and this is completely free. So once you log in, you're going to type in YouTube Shorts, and then you'll see the templates that come up, and you want to scroll down right here and just click on free. So you could create your video right here. If you created it on your iPhone, you could upload the video right here and be able to edit in the software, or you could use a template to create your video. So this is just an example of something that I came up with. I just use some of the templates that they have in here. And then if you want to add any more, you just click on the plus button here. So let's just say, for example, if I wanted to add this template here, I could just click here and then add the template, but we don't want to do that. We're going to take that out of there. So this is what I came up with. You can add music to it. If you can't find any music in here, which is right here, audio, YouTube does have its own free audio library. So that's just youtube.com/audio library. And this is mine that comes up. You can just search the genre and download it. Then you would just go over here, upload, and you can see right here that I had uploaded this, and then you just click on it and it adds it to your video. So there's all kinds of things that you can do. You can change the font, you can change the color, anything. You can add pictures to this. If you click on Pixabay, let's say you wanted to put something in having to do with crypto, you just take one of these pictures and put it over here. Like if I wanted to replace that one with maybe this one right here, I could just drag that over there. So there's all kinds of things that you can do with this and make it look really good. Now this one that I created is only 19 seconds long, but that's perfect because people have a very, very short attention span. And then the last thing you want to do in this video is have a call to action. So you'll just put text on this, pick whatever text you want, and then an arrow. That would be under elements. You just search arrow and just drag that over. So you would have a call to action, something like, to learn even more about investing in crypto, click the link below. And then after you have completed your video, you just want to download it right here. And then you're going to be able to upload it to YouTube. And just in case you don't know how to do that, you'll go to your channel and just click on this right here, upload video, and then you can just drag it right here. And it'll be really quick because it's just a few seconds long. And then as far as your title, you want that to be similar to the popular videos using that same keyword. Put that at the beginning of the title and also 2 to 3 times in the description of your video. I would also use some of these other keywords in there as well and just put them in a natural way in describing what your video is about. And this is super important. Make sure you put hashtag shorts in your title as well. You could put it at the beginning or at the end. Latest cryptocurrency news and then shorts. So that way YouTube knows that it is a YouTube Shorts video and it will get on the YouTube Shorts shelf. And in case you don't know where this is, you just go to your homepage of YouTube, scroll down, and you can see YouTube Stories and then a YouTube Shorts shelf just below that. So you just click on next. Since I'm monetized, I'm just going to say I'm going to turn this off, but you wouldn't have that necessarily. And you don't need to worry about any of these other things here. Just click on next and then public and then save, and then it's going to be live. Now you want to monetize your video, so you can go to Digistore24 or ClickBank and find products that are relating to what you're talking about in the video. So for example, in the crypto niche, you can go in here and search crypto. And for example, Crypto Quantum Leap. This is a good product actually because it has good popularity. And you can make $310 per sale. And you can see it's a cryptocurrency video course for beginners. So there are a lot of people that don't know anything about cryptocurrency, and this would be a great course for them. What you want to do is get your link right here where it says promote now. You don't want to put this in the description of your video. You want to go to a link shortener. So this is what I use. It's rebrandly.com, and you'll just click right here, new link, and paste that URL right here. Then what you can do is customize the last part of it. You're going to have to play around with this a little bit, maybe today. Okay, so that one works. And then you just right here where it says copy, or you can just go like this, you're going to copy that and paste that in the description of your video. And let's say you end up getting eventually like 100,000 views on your video and only 1% of those click on your link in the description of your video. That's 1,000. And maybe only 3% of those purchase. That is $9,300 with just that one video. So you can see how this can definitely add up, especially if you post consistently. And if you can, I would do it every day or at the minimum 2 to 3 times a week. Another super powerful way to make money with YouTube Shorts is with print on demand. Now I have a whole video on how to do this step by step. I'll post that in the description below this video, so you can take a look at that. But essentially print on demand is where you create a design for free. You can see right here, you can get someone to do it for $5 for you. And there's a lot of print on demand sites. This is just one, Redbubble. But if you go here and just search crypto, You can see the different things that people have created. I say this one is really cool because it's Crypto Millionaire. And if you go search that on Google, you can see people have done something similar. So there's no copyright on this. You can do something similar, different colors. So what will happen is that people can come here and purchase this t-shirt in your store. You've uploaded the design and everything. And when they purchase it, Redbubble takes care of everything. They print it, send it to the customer, take care of the customer service, and then you get a percentage of the sale. So let's say this is in your store. You could just take this link right here, put it again into Rebrandly, and you could put a link in the description of your video that says cool crypto merch and have your link to this t-shirt. And of course you can have as many links as you want in your video description and be able to make money from multiple different sources. 7 of the best side hustles to make money from home. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.